147, 148.
नास्त्रैर्न शस्त्रैरनिलेन वह्निना छेत्तुं न शक्यो न च कर्मकोटिभिः विवेकविज्ञानमहासिना विना धातु प्रसादेन शितेन मञ्जुना श्रुतिप्रमाणैकमते स्वधर्म निष्ठातयैवात्मविशुद्धिरस्य विशुद्धबुद्धे परमात्मवेदनम् तेनैव संसारसमूलनाशः
Bondage can be destroyed only by Viveka Vijnana. Viveka Vijnana, Viveka Janya Vijnana. Vijnana is Atma Sakshatkara, born of Atmanatma Viveka. At the same time, it was also pointed out, bondage cannot be destroyed by any other means whatsoever, astra, shastra, etc. In that, one thing was told, nacha karma koti bhi, even by crores of karmas, means even if you go on doing any number of karmas from Agnihotra to Ashwamedha Yaga. Generally, these are told because Vaidika karmas have got better effect or result than the Laukika karmas. Laukika karmas are meant for certain result here, but as for hereafter, that is Vedic karmas only have got the relevance. From that means whatever that is told for Vedic karma means if Vedic karmas cannot accomplish bondage, it is needless to say that Laukika karmas cannot accomplish at all. You know what is called as Prathama Malla Nyaya or Kaimotika Nyaya. If suppose some championship is there, you knock down the top one, you are the champion. So like that. Or that is Kaimotika Nyaya. If Vedic karmas which are so powerful are incapable of giving the knowledge and the freedom from bondage, what to speak of other karmas. A person who can lift 500 kg, what is the question that he will lift a ping pong ball? So you need not tell that he can lift a ping pong ball. So therefore So that way, but that nacha karma kotivi gives an impression that karmas are useless. Vedika karmas are useless. There are people so who speak of Vedanta and it says karmas are useless. It is a half truth. Yes, karmas are useless when to give you the Atma Jnana directly. But to gain the Atma Jnana directly, you need Antakarana Shuddhi. Antakarana Shuddhi can be gained by karmas only. So we should know, in Vedanta we should know what is what, how long, for who, why, all these are necessary. So therefore, earlier I hope you remember, Chittasya Shuddhaye Karma Natu Vastupa Labdhaye. Karma is meant for what? Chitta Shuddhi. Natu Vastupa Labdhaye. Not to gain the Atma Jnana. What is Chitta Shuddhi? Chitta Shuddhi is that mind which is calm and composed. It is so quiet without any Vishayakara vritti. It is capable of reflecting Atma in its true nature, free from all the Adhyastha Upadhis. Not only free from Adhyastha Upadhis, free from all Vishayakara Antakarana vritti. So just like you see your face in the mirror. But for this, Duritakshaya is necessary. Duritakshaya means past life, some papa is there. It poses an obstruction in the pursuit of gaining the knowledge. So Ishvara Anugraha is necessary. For that, karma with the Ishvara Arpana Buddhi, karma yoga attitude has to be taken too. So therefore, so as a acharya, as a teacher, he wants to knock down the wrong notion that karmas are totally useless. No. Once Chitta Shuddhi is there, karmas have no relevance. What all the things karmas can accomplish? Chitta Shuddhi is one. Anything else? Fulfillment of desires. Karmas are meant for fulfillment of desire. Now we are talking of who? Mumukshu, who has got Vairagya. When he has got Vairagya, that means karma as a means to fulfill the desire is not there because he has got sufficient Vairagya. But karma as a means to accomplish Antakarana Shuddhi, that role is still there. If that is the case, then Shastra says, Shastra exempts the person from karma, and that person is Vividisha Sannyasi. So he says, Sannyasya Shravanam Kurya. He is exempted by karmas take time. Preoccupation is there. So this person need to be given the leisure. Leisure for what? Not to see serials. So leisure for Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. That will go on. New inventions will come because marketing. So this all marketing is there. That is not there. So therefore, so for Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, for that, so he needs the time. Shastra says you are exempted. Otherwise, whole lifetime do karma. Somebody said, somebody wanted to take to sannyasa and this thing. Someone said, he was a bachelor. First you have to fulfill the duty. What duty? Get married and this fellow is a bachelor and he expects him to fulfill the duty. First he has to get married, children, and then what? Fulfill the duty. And then by the time he is 65 to get all children married, etc. सुनता नहीं देखने को आता नहीं है ठीक बैठ नहीं सकता है what Shravana Manana Nididhyasana is going to take as a so this is general this is a concept. In fact it happened many years back. I was traveling in the local train. After that, after 4 or 5 years I joined ashram. And I was reading Viveka Chudamani in the train. On the train. I was reading with Ramakrishna Mission book with the translation. And I was engrossed. Someone was standing, an elderly person sitting or something, he was peeping in the book. When I lifted my head up, my boy, of an elderly one, my boy, this is not the this is not the age to, because he knew what subject was. He could make out Vivek Chudamani means he has some idea about it, etc. Say, my boy, out of compassion, and say, my boy, this is not the age to read this book. Because he knows what that book is as such. So then when afterwards everything is in tatters, and then you read, so that is not. See, this is one thing. Modern man does preparation for everything, including the retired life, public sector and not public, big corporate sectors, etc. For executives, when their retirement comes near, they have got a program. See, a seminar as such to prepare for the retired life. How many of us do prepare for the one who is inevitably we have to meet? Who is the one? Death. What is that? One who is patient. Since we are born, he is patiently waiting because we are busy with many things. It happens, suppose you go to meet someone and he is very busy, let it be, because let him finish it. Right? Now finally, he is waiting, how long he can wait? See, that is there. So in fact, this was told by Tapon Maharaj to Swami Chinmayanji. Tapon Maharaj was very ill. Very ill means it can be cured, but he has to be brought to Delhi or somewhere else. Some chest congestion, etc., etc. But he needs medication, proper medication. So he pleaded, please come. He said, he was quite old, sir. He said, Chinmaya, someone has come to meet you and he is finding that you are very busy. He is patiently waiting. Now he found that you are a little relaxed. Should I not meet him? I think same thing is in that Shankara the picture. Adi Shankaracharya, that document. It is documentary. It is there as such. So there is one jnana, two companions from the childhood. One jnana, one mrityu. And at the end, when he was to leave the body, jnana argues. He said, look, he is waiting for me from my birth, etc. Is it not legitimate that I should meet? So that is that when it is inevitable, are we prepared? We should be prepared for that. How can you prepare? Bank balance. If bank balance, etc., ask Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. See, when Alexander came to know that he is suffering from incurable disease, in fact, you know what he said? Is there anyone who can give me a few days' life? I will give him, I want to meet my mother. I will give him half my empire. They said, sire, even if you give entire empire, it is not possible. He came to know that his death is inevitable. He told the ministers, when my funeral procession will go, see that my hands are stretched out, both hands are stretched out up, and take a procession throughout the capital, etc. When the people ask why the hands are missing, tell him Alexander the Great amassed so much of wealth and now he is going empty-handed. Great lesson. So that is that. Somebody said, you can keep everything safe in the safe lockers, but you will not be able to take even a pinch of mud from here. Suppose everyone takes at death, everyone takes a pinch of mud, on Mother Earth, no mud will be left out. Because from Anadi Kala, the people are dying, there will be nothing left out as mud. Are we prepared? So that is all. So therefore, so that must be there. From that standpoint, what is that? This pursuit has got karma as a relevance. What is the relevance? Chittasya shuddhi. Without chitta shuddhi, mere shravana cannot guarantee the knowledge. So that say that being the case, Anvaya is seen. Anvaya was given. See. So karmas have to be taken to, or that is buddhi shuddhi or chitta shuddhi. Shruti pramanaika matehi Shruti pramanaika matehi swadharma nishtha taya eva asya atma vishuddhi vishuddha buddhehi paramatma vedanam tena eva samsara samula nasha. A sequence is given step by step. First, swadharma nishtha. Swadharma nishtha means swakarma nishtha. Here dharma means karma, not religion or anything as such. Dharma means karma. Swakarma nishtha means that taking to with fervor the performance of duties that belong to one's ashrama. Ashram means what? Stage of life. Brahmacharya, grahastha, vanaprastha. In sannyasa, karma is relinquished. So therefore say, swadharmanishta. For whom is it? Shruti pramanaika matehe. For the one who has got firm conviction that Shruti, Veda, is the pramana, is the means of knowledge in ascertaining what is to be done, what is not to be done. So karmas have to be done. Why? Either if you want to fulfill the desire or to gain the chitta shuddhi. So from that standpoint, so one who has got a shraddha, one who has studied the Vedas or at least imbibed the principles of Vedas, should take towards Swadharma Nishtha, should take the performance of one's own karma. If you remember, in Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, Lord Krishna, after completing the teaching, he says, Idam te na atapaskaya. That means you should not tell this to who is a tapasvi. Na tapasvi. Do you know what is that tapas there? Not doing shirshasana and all that. Tapas there means swa ashrama karma. So tapas means what? Varnashrama. As per the varnashrama, what is one's own karma, that is what is called as a. Why? A person who doesn't discharge the duties will not be able to command the chitta shuddhi. When chitta shuddhi is not there, it is not possible to gain the knowledge. Keep in mind, Vedanta is not simply picking up of the information as such. That is necessary as paroksha jnana, but aparoksha jnana, sakshatkara is direct cognition, direct anubhava of Atma Swarupa, Chitta Shuddhi, Chitta Naishchalya. These are inevitable. Anything that creates the disturbance, vikshepa in the mind has to be eliminated. That's why amanitva, dhammitva, ahimsa, kshanti, arjava, all these are told, because they insulate us from getting disturbed from the external world, the world we have to interact with invariably. Being born in this world, unless you are a Jivan Mukta, one cannot get away from interacting with the world. And when interacting with the world means, certainly there are avenues for the agitation in the mind. Such agitation denies that frame of mind which can directly know Atma Swarupa. So therefore, Shruti Pramanaikamateh Swadharma Nishtha Taya means that Swadharma Nishtha, that firm commitment to perform one's own karmas and doing that, by that, Eva means by no other means, Asya means of this person who has got the Shraddha in the Shruti Pramana for him and takes to the performance of the karma. Atma Vishuddhi. This Atma is Antakarana, not the Satchidananda Atma. Satchidananda Atma does he need Vishuddhi? Prapanchopashama. The mala of prapancha is not there. So he is Antakarana, Atma Vishuddhi. Vishuddha Buddhi Paramatma Vedanam. Only the person who has got Vishuddha Buddhi can gain the knowledge of Paramatma. So why? He only has got the Shuddhantakarana, which can be what is called, otherwise called as Chitta Prasada. Chitta Prasada. So that frame of mind which can display, which can exhibit Atma, Brahma in its true nature. So that is Partasya Vishuddha Buddhi Paramatma Vedanam. Tena eva. Tena means what? Paramatma Vedanena eva. Eva, what does it mean? By no other means. By this alone. See, Samsara Samula Nashaha. Destruction of samsara. How? Samula. Otherwise, everyday nasha is there. When you sleep, samsara is not there. But samula, what is the mula? Mula means cause, root cause. What is the root cause? Ajnana, avidya, so maya. So along with the destruction of avidya, total destruction, samsara, samula, nashaha. Samula, nashaha. Destruction is there. So now here, in this earlier stanza, we have seen the rule, what is meant by Nacha Karma Koti Bhi. Karmas are necessary for Buddhi, Shuddha Buddhi. Afterward, their job is over. Just as see, once you reach the destination, the means of transport you give up. So either you want to go to Delhi, you went by Rajdhani. Once Delhi station is reached, you have to vacate. Or you went by the flight. Once you reach there, you have to say. If you don't, in the flight, they will show you courteously the way out. And in the Rajdhani, they will catch you by the neck and throw out. That's the only difference. So, but you have to vacate, is it not? Because that. So they say like this. Another example is given in the olden days. You have to cross a river. You go in a boat. Once you reach the other bank, you don't carry the boat on your head, do you? Let it be used by others. Others can make use of that, but your job is over. So like this, so karmas have performed their job in terms of giving Shuddha Antakarana. So that is them. Now, so what destroys bondage, as told in 147? Viveka Vijnana. What is that Viveka Vijnana? It is a compound. Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa Viveka Janya Vijnana. Vijnana, Atma Sakshatkara, born of what? Viveka. Janya Vijnana, born of this thing. Now this is called Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa. I have given an example. See, Shaka Priya Parthivaha Shaka Parthiva. A king, Parthiva means king, was very fond of vegetables. So vegetable king. Actually it should be what? Vegetable loving king. Swamiji used to say, coffee priya Srinivasaha, coffee Srinivasa. Mr. Srinivasa, who is fond of coffee, is coffee priya. Actually it means coffee loving Srinivasaha. So that is called Madhyama Pada Lopa. So here, Viveka Janya Vijnana. So therefore, means Vijnana, Atma Sakshatkara, Brahma Sakshatkara, born of Viveka. Means Viveka is what? Means. Question is, what is this Viveka? Where is it available? Which website I have to find out. So where is it possible? He says, actually, the Mumukshu Shishya has already asked a question in 49. Atmanatma Viveka, what is it? He said, therefore, Tayoho Vivekaha. Now here, in 147, what was told? Viveka Vijnana Mahasina. By the sharp, big sword of Vijnana, Atma Sakshatkara, born of Viveka. So the question is, how Viveka can be developed was asked in stanza 49. Keep that stanza 49 in mind always. Tayoho Vivekaha katham etad uchyata. Tayoho, of those two. What are those two? Atmanatmanoho, of Atma and Anatma, Viveka. How is it done? I told you now. Few shlokas earlier, now the Atmanatma Viveka start, for which he made the preparation. Now actually the discrimination between Atma and Anatma starts. First, he adopts the method of distinguishing Atma from Anatma, namely Panchakoshas. Panchakoshas. This was passingly referred to in stanza 125. What was told there? While pointing out what Atma is, it was described Panchakosha Vilakshanaha. Vilakshanaha, totally distinct, different from Panchakoshas, 5 sheets. But author had not described what are those 5 sheets. If Atma has to be distinguished or known thoroughly as different from 5 koshas, we should know what the 5 koshas are and how Atma is different from 5 koshas. So that is now to take to that inquiry. First, what are the 5 koshas are being told. So now the discrimination starts for that. So an illustration is given. One has to sift, distinguish Atma from Pancha Koshas. Why it is necessary? Because some covering has taken place. Some veiling has taken place. As a result, is what? These 5 koshas deny us the knowledge of our Swarupa. What is our Swarupa Atma? I. But because of something that I has got misplaced at 5 loci, which have to be set right. And they are the 5 koshas. Let us see.
Koshairannamayadhyai panchaviratmana samruto bhati. Nija shakti samutpannaihi shaivala patalairivambuvapistham. Anvaya. Nija Shakti Samutpannaihi पंचभिः अन्नमयाद्यैः कोशैः संवृतः आत्मा न भाति शैवालपटलैः वापिस्थम् अम्बु इव. Again, निज शक्ति समुत्पन्नैः पंचभिः अन्नमयाद्यैः कोशैः संवृतः आत्मा न भाति शैवालपटलैः वापिस्थम् अम्बु इव.
Samvrita, see, when Anvaya is given, a short Anvaya also can be given. Samvritaha Atma na bhati. Atma, Samvrita means covered, veiled. So, na bhati is not known. Come on, I have got something in my hand. Tell me. No guessing, okay. What is that? Can you see? No. You may guess what Swamiji will have except watching. So that is different thing. But it is not seen. Why it is? Savrita. It is what? Covered. So like that, Atma is somehow covered. By what will be seen? As a result what? He is not known as it is. What is that which covers? He says, Kosh Annamayad Panchabhi Annamayadhyaihi Koshaihi Samvritaha Atma. Atma covered by, veiled by, see, 5 Panchabhi Annamayadi Koshaihi Annamayadhyaihi Koshaihi. By koshas, what are those? Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Andamaya. From where have they come? What is the source of this? Means, is it desirable? You first tell me. Covering of Atma or denial of knowledge of Atma desirable? Why not? More the merrier. Along with Atma you will have Pancha Kosha, 5 sheets. Is it not desirable? No. What is the Swarupa of Atma? Ananda Swarupa. Free from Janma, Marana. These koshas make us take as if we are samsari, dukhi, samsari, subject to Janma, Marana. Desirable? No, not desirable. So therefore I say, so Panchabhi Annamayadhyaihi Koshaihi Samvritaha Atma na bhati. Atma is not cognized in Swarupa. From where these koshas have come? Nija Shakti Samutpannaihi. 5 sheets born of one's power. Nija Shakti. Nija means Swa. Not Nija means not true or not here. Swa Shakti. One's own power. What is this? One's own means whose? Atmas. Brahma. Born of power belonging to Atma, Brahma. And what are born? 5 sheets. And these 5 sheets are covering the knowledge of our own Swarupa. What is this Nija Shakti? Avidya or Maya. Maya Trigunatmika. Trigunatmika Maya gives rise to all Pancha Mahabhutas. And Trigunatmika Pancha Mahabhutas give rise to Sukshma Sharira, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma things, Sthula Jagat. So therefore, Pancha Koshas, 5 sheets are made up of what? Shakti. How exactly the constituents of each Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, etc. will be shown, and that will help us to ascertain Atma cannot be any of these five sheets. So therefore say, so therefore, Nija Shakti Samutpannaihi Panchabhi, by the five Panchabhi Annamayadi Koshaihi, by the five sheets beginning from, I have told why they are called koshas, sheath, etc. Like the sheath it covers. So sheath, S-H-E-A-T-H, where the sword is kept. So it covers, denies the knowledge of what is inside. But one thing, don't imagine Atma is there and covered by five sheets. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer. Then uncover. Abba, first layer removed, second layer removed, third layer removed, fourth removed, fifth removed. Atma Sakshatkar. Figuratively how to do? How? By ascertaining that any of these sheets cannot be Atma. That has to be done. But how? Let us see. So, Nija Shakti Samutpannai Panchabhi Annamayade Koshai Samvrutaha Atma Na Bhati. The question is, how come something born of one's own power can cover oneself? One illustration was given. What is that? Clouds born of sun rays cover the sun itself. Yes? One more other example is given. What is that? Shaivala Patalaihi or Shaivala Patalaihi. Both readings are there. Shaivala Patalaihi Vapistham Ambu Iva. Like Ambu. Ambu is water. Which water? Vapistham. Water in a well or a lake, etc. is covered by what you know? Shaivala Patala. Patala means a layer. Shaivala means moss. I don't know how many of you seen in the villages, etc. Small lakes, etc. You know what happens? The moss is formed and entire surface, either the well or this entire surface gets covered by the green moss, appearing as if there is a lawn. At times cows get deceived. They think it is a pasture land and they go in the lake. That is it. So like the layer of moss, so how it covers the water? Just beneath, maybe just not even a half centimeter or few millimeters beneath is what? Crystal clear, pure water. But what appears is what? Like a lawn. Shalvala patalaihi vapistham ambu iva. Like the water in the well. Now author is explaining further. How can you see the water in the well which is covered by the layer of the moss? Likewise, similar method what you have to do? Employ here to discover, know directly the Atma Swarupa, brushing aside the layers of what? Pancha koshas. So for that, he says, now the Drishtanta, that is, in the Drishtanta, what is Drishtanta? Vapistha Ambu Avrita by Shaivala Patala. So what is the means there? To directly see the water. Accordingly, here also we can know the means. Salilam
Samyak salilam pratiyate shuddham Krishna santapaharam sadya saukyapradam param punsaha. Anvaya.
Pumsam also is there.
Anvaya. शैवाल अपनये तृष्णा संतापहरं सद्यः परं सौख्यप्रदं शुद्धं सलिलं पुंसः सम्यक् प्रतीयते. Again, tat शैवाल अपनये तृष्णा संतापहरं सद्यः परं सौख्यप्रदं शुद्धं सलिलं पुंसः सम्यक् प्रतीयते.
Tat Shaivalapanaye. Apanaya, remove. When that Shaivala, that layer of the moss is removed, how can you remove? You know what you have to do? Take a stick and brush it aside. It's very interesting. Take a stick and brush it aside. What happens? Crystal clear water is seen. Lift the stick. Again cover. These examples nowadays don't work. Because people, they may not have seen the lake first. They may not know what the moss there, etc. Even for Bombay children, cow is a great thing. Somebody said, long back somebody said, somebody in America, there are no scattered houses, etc. Everyone goes by car and all that. Rarely people walk on the footpath and all that. Say, a child, say around, say about 12 months or 14 months, who has just simply now learned talking. See, from this window he saw somebody was going, man, man. See, it's because some person says, man. Man. So man, because people are not Bombay. Whatever movement you come out, so that what? You have to run away as such. So man, so that cow. So that be like this. Now this Shaivala. So anyway, so that is it. So Shaivala patal apanaye, when the layer of moss is brushed aside, say Shaivala apanaye. What is revealed? Clear water. Shuddham salilam. So what type of salilam it is? Trishna santapaharam. You have to imagine, a person was very thirsty, not nowadays, you go on a tap, etc., or Bisleri. So not that way. So, say, I think certain brands you get the name like stuck, etc. Like Cadbury, there may be many chocolates, Cadbury, Bisleri, like that, anyway, whatever it may be. It was banned, I believe. Something again they must have revived. Okay, that's fine. Trishnas, because this person was very thirsty. Olden days you have to find a well or a lake, etc. He found a well. So now he removed the moss. Underneath is what? Very clear, drinkable water. So Trishna santapaharam. And as a result, if he drinks, what happens? Instantaneously, the thirst gets quenched, and therefore what? Sadhya param saukhya pradam. Sadhya, immediately, which gives great what? Saukhya, pleasure, delight. Why? Thirst is quenched. You should see, first get thirsty. In summer, roam in the out sun, and then you will understand the importance of water. Don't take to soft drinks, okay? Take water. Like the children, Bombay children, they go on munching this and that, always fridge is ready with something, etc. No hunger. Don't give that child for about 8 hours anything. Afterward, dry roti also will do. That is that. So, then mothers don't understand that my child doesn't eat at all because it eats all rubbish things. One chocolate is enough to keep the stomach full. Means neither proper this thing nor appetite as such, etc. So, Sadhya Santa Trishna Santapaharam, immediately which gives the delight, freedom from the thirst as such. Param, this is it. What happens? Shuddham Salilam, pure water, see, Samyak Pratiyate, is clearly seen. Samyak means thoroughly, clearly seen. Earlier what had happened? It was covered by the moss, Shaivala Patala. So whom bhati? Pusaha bhati. Which Pusaha? The person who was thirsty and who was looking for the water, it is there. Is it not? So this is the example. Now here also, you know what you have to do? Brush aside 5 koshas. What happens? Atma. So simple. Which stick we have to use? That will be shown. Okay. That will be. Udhar hi time lagta hai. So there only delay is there. So but principle. Just as you brush aside the Shaivala Patala, the one which can quench your thirst, pure water is available. So also here, brush aside the Panchakosha. You cannot physically brush aside the Panchakosha. Physically, Panchakoshas have not covered the Atma. There it is what? Physically covered. But here it is not physically covered. It is in terms of wrong notion. And what is that wrong notion? Identification with the Panchakosha. So here, removal of covering is removal of identification with the Panchakosha.
Panchānāmapi koṣānāmapavāde vibhātyayam shuddhā. Nityanandaikarasa pratyagrupa parasvayam jyoti. Anvaya. Panchanam api koṣānām apavāde ayam shuddhā nityanandaikarasah pratyagrupa parah svayam jyoti vibhati. Again, Panchanam api koṣānām apavāde ayam shuddhā nityanandaikarasah pratyagrupa parah svayam jyoti vibhati.
Panchanam api koṣānām apavāde. Apavāde means nishedhe krite. When they are negated as not Atma. So look here. Do we not take the physical body as I? This is what? Annamaya kosha. Of course, description of Panchakoshas is going to come in detail as such. But this physical body is taken as I. So therefore what happened? Atma gets covered at the physical body level. What is Apavada now? Discover that Annamaya kosha, physical body, cannot be Atma. Get convinced. Because presently the notion is so strong that the I means who? Physical body. How this physical body cannot be Atma? Atma is there. Who told you? Upanishads, Vedas, is it not? then it gives you some idea about what Atma is. It cannot fit in the physical body. It cannot fit in the physical. So like this, pancha, like this, panchanam api koshanam apavade. When all the 5 koshas are negated as not Atma, say, physically it is not possible. Physically only one kosha can be terminated. You know what is that? Annamaya kosha. In death, whatever mode of death may be, what gets terminated, destroyed? Physical body. That is the only thing that can get destroyed. It means by such this thing. Of course, natural death or even, let us say, whatever it is, murder or suicide, whatever it may be. But even suicide or this thing, death cannot destroy other koshas. Pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, of course, cause the andamaya kosha continues. Why? Sukshma sharira continues. The locus continues. Sukshma sharira contains the rest of it. You can't destroy. What can you destroy? How can you destroy? Not possible. It can be destroyed only in the wake of Atma Jnana. Otherwise, that is why we are now taking to Atma Anatma Viveka. So therefore, here termination of Panchakosha means, say, Panchanam of Koshanam Apavade means getting rid of Tadatmya. Tadatmya means identification with these 5 sheets. Why, etc., will be seen in detail as such. So then, apavade, when they are nishedhe kriti, ayam means so, this Atma, shuddhaha, pure. Pure means what? Free from panchakosha, free from jagat, free from panchakosha, free from jagat. And what is its nature? Nityanandaika rasaha. Nitya, all the time. Anandaika rasaha. Only Ananda and Ananda only means Ananda ghanaha. You know ghana? Dense means what? Nothing but Ananda and Ananda only. Ananda. What does it that? Eka rasa. Do you know what it specifies? Free, totally free from sorrow. Otherwise, no. Like what we experience, some joy, more sorrow, like this, they alternate, come and go, come and go, come and go. No, Ananda only. Nityanandaika rasaha. So, then where is it? Somewhere, where is it hidden there? Pratyagrupaha. What is Pratyagrupaha? Pratyagatma rupaha. It is the Atma, the true I, distinct from the notional eyes in 5 koshas. Means Pratyagrupaha, literally you know what is Pratyagrupaha? The innermost. Pratyagrupaha literally means what? Innermost. Sarvantaraha. What it can be Sarvantaraha? Swayam Jyoti Chaitanya. The Chaitanya which is self-revealing, self-evident, self-revealing. So that it says, so that Nitya Pratyagrupaha Paraha Swach. Acha, Nityandraksa Paraha, Swayam Jyoti is already told them. Swayam Jyoti Paraha. You know what is Paraha? Sarvotkrishta. Most exalted. Why most exalted? Paramananda Swarupa, free from sorrow. So he says, Paraha, says, Pratyak Swarupa, says, Vibhati. Swayam Jyotihi, Paraha, Swayam Jyotihi, vibhati. How vibhati? Visheshena bhati. Now bhati or na bhati? Now Atma bhati or na bhati? I hope you know and understand what is bhati. Is Atma known? That's such a thing. You may not know word Atma, but I am there is known or not. That I is what? Atma only. But then also bhati. Yes, bhati. But coupled with all panchakoshas. He said what? Vibhati. Visheshena means what? Asamsprishtaya. Without any connection or identification with the pancha kosha in its own swarupa, vibhati. Therefore, what is now necessary? Justified. Atmanatma vivekaha kartavyaha. One has to take to the viveka between Atma and Anatma.
Atmanatma viveka kartavyo bandha muktaye vidusha. Tenaivanandi bhavati swam vijnaya satchidanandam. Anvaya. Vidushaha.
Vidusha. Not vidusha. Instrumental it is. Vidusha.
Bandha muktaye Atma anatma vivekaha kartavyaha. Tena eva swam satchidanandam vijnaya anandi bhavati. Again, vidusha bandha muktaye Atma anatma vivekaha kartavyaha. Tena eva swam satchidanandam vijnaya anandi bhavati.
Author of Vivek Chudamani is at leisure. आराम से आत्मा अनात्म विवेक अभी शुरू हो गया. Still he has not started the Panchakosh. What are the descriptions? Means he impresses the necessity of that. So yes, that is the this thing. Sankshipta and Vistara. Atma Bodha, short, 64 or 68 or something. So here, 581. He has got these are, both are necessary because brief also is necessary and elaborate also necessary. So he says, therefore he has justified now. What is to be done? Atmanatma viveka has to be done. So let us see now. Again, he says, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. Other illustration gives. Munjad ishika iva. Next stanza. We take it next time. Munjad ishika iva. You have to be very alert. You know, there is a something, you see, an edible core covered by grass called munja. And this munja grass is very sharp, like the blades. You have to peel off the blades of grass to get the edible core ishika. If you are little careless, before you get ishika, the edible core, your finger will be cut. It will cut the finger. So you have to be what? Very alert to show that Panchakosha Viveka, Atmanatma Viveka has to be done with very alertness, etc. Not that you will get cut the, then Swamiji better don't enter into this Viveka, not that way. So means close attention, alertness is necessary to take to Atmanatma Viveka. You know why? This identification with Panchakosha is so thick. Number one, it will not allow you to take to Atmana Viveka, because suicide for what? This Tadatmya with the Pancha Kosha. So therefore, with alertness. So that's why with illustrations, etc., is slowly seen. And now, after 2 stanzas, actual description of what are those 5 koshas.